Strategy 3 for the English language learner. Vocabulary development matching game. Proficiency level advanced. Students that are English language learners at this level can read and understand grade appropriate concrete and abstract vocabulary, but have difficulty with less commonly encountered words. This matching game will provide an engaging way for the students to get practice with less commonly encountered words. The game is interactive and can be played with a larger group or used by one student to deepen their learning. Social Studies Grade 4 TEKS. Instructions for the matching game. The teacher will preview the chapter with the students to find any new vocabulary words the students may not understand. Once they have identified the words, the teacher will guide the students to find the definitions by using the text and providing examples. The students will then create a matching game using index cards to match the word and definition. The game can be used in a group or individual setting. Here is an example of the matching game. Using a piece of paper, I simply just cut 8 cards and I wrote 4 of the vocabulary words that I wasn't sure about. And I found the definitions for them, and I would mix these around and try and match. Now we can use this to create a classroom set for each chapter, or the students can have their own individual set so that they can study their own personalized words. So, for example, abolish would be formally put an end to. Secede would be withdraw and leave formally from membership in a federal union, and the students would just take turns matching these up. You can include prizes or whatever to make this a little bit more competitive, but this is something that could be used either individually or within the whole class, and this can be used and customized for every chapter that you go through in your social studies text. This will greatly benefit your English language learners because they get to preview these words, practice with these words, and it's something that every student will really benefit from, not just your English language learners. And here are the references. Thank you.